So is AI really a game changer for e-commerce brands? It's not a simple question to answer, and to be honest, I'm not here pretending that I'm going to give you a prediction of what's going to happen in the next 20 years or so, because there's a lot of content about it on the internet. So what I'm here for is to tell you what are the three biggest changes that we've seen in the market today. What's happening really right now? So the first thing is we've seen that it levels up the field between small, medium, and large businesses, in a sense that small and medium-sized businesses, they're able to use these capabilities to process data a lot faster, to communicate more efficiently, to produce pieces of creativity, like of content or videos, a lot faster, a lot better, and with a lot less budget, which is great. So in this case, that's a huge game changer for small and medium-sized businesses. The second one will be scalability. So before, brands were not able to process a lot of data because they didn't have the capabilities. So they were processes that required to hire people to do that for them. So they were not aware of the real-time ecosystem of their business, and they couldn't take decisions as fast as they could do it now, which is the second thing that is great. And the third thing that we have seen is that marketing becomes a lot more personalized. So instead of AI detaching us from products, it has enabled small and medium-sized and even large-sized brands to get closer to the customer, to send emails in a lot more personalized way, to connect with them, to personalize the ads real time, as Google is doing now using AI, that the ads are adapted to individuals on real time using AI, which is great because they understand the patterns of search that we've got, and they understand what that customer is in need for. So those three things are the biggest changes that we've seen in the last few years with AI coming to the playground. However, there is a thing that remains the same, which is obviously, yes, it has brought to the table this benefit for small and medium-sized companies, but then it all comes down as well to the budget. So unfortunately, that still remains in there. So larger companies, they have an advantage because they can promote their projects like in a larger way. So the key here is, and it has nothing to do with money. It has nothing to do with your resources. It has still to do with creativity. So how do we, as a small and medium-sized businesses, can create unique pieces of content that resonates with our audience? So it's not about having the best skilled designer right now. It's about how do we use those tools to create something that is unique. So that's where our minds and our skills to use the AI as well are making a big difference. And they can actually make waves for small independent sellers and for medium-sized companies that want to scale their business to the next level. So yes, it's a real game changer. Things are changing, in my opinion, in the right direction in terms of giving tools to everybody to be able to compete. But we have to be realistic about the scope of it if we don't want to invest resources on learning how to use those tools. We're going to just be behind it. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, please make sure you like and follow this video. It means a lot for us, and we'll be keeping producing content like this for you. To help you grow your business, we're going to do a couple of videos, technical videos about Google Ads, Meta Ads, a little bit of design to help you out to scale your brand. Thank you.